Imagine a website where AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, and other powerful AI just fight anonymously, and millions of people votes to decide which AI is actually the best. That website is called Arena AI. In this video, I'm going to show you what Arena AI is, why actually big AI companies care about it so much. Let's quickly check it out. Hi guys, I'm Sumit, a CS student from NIT Angle, and today we are going to have an overview on Arena AI. So let's quickly begin our journey. Arena AI is also called LMArena or Chatbot Arena. It's basically a website where different AI models compete against each other. You type a prompt, then two anonymous AI will generate your answer. You don't know which AI actually is used to generate your answer. It will be hidden once you consumed your content, and based on that, you prefer some, like you choose one of the best one. You choose the best one among that two, and after that, the AI model will be get revealed. So instead of using boring technical benchmark, Arena AI uses real human preference to rank AI models. Here's how it works. For that, we are going to give a simple prompt and we will see how actually it works. Like we'll give a prompt of describe about LM, a simple prompt. Now let's see what actually it will generate. As you can see on the screen, two AI assistants has been engaged to generate our answer, and we are unable to see actually which AI agent is being used to generate our answers. As you can see on the left, it's a very short, and on the right side, it looks little bit nice. So I'm not reading this all, and I'm directly going to select any of the AI. Which one is better? I'm going for B. Okay, now the AI agent is being revealed. Like first one was Trinity Large Preview, and second was Gemini 3.1 Pro. Okay, that's actually how Arena works. Not only that much, on the top you are given three options. First was battle mode, that we just seen how it actually worked, and second was side by side. Actually, in this you will be able to compare two AIs based on how you will be able to compare the AIs you want. Like if you want to compete ChatGPT with Gemini, you will select these two and you will give some prompt. Like describe, I'll give the same prompt. Describe LM. And now ChatGPT and Gemini are competitive against each other to give the same answer to the prompt. And the third one is simple direct. Like in this section, you will use what AI you actually want. If you want Gemini, you will use Gemini. And not only giving a simple prompt, you can generate images, you can generate videos, you can make games, 3D specials, and many more things just on a single platform called Arena AI. So this platform becomes very useful. One useful section which is called leaderboard on the right top. Here you can get the data actually collected by Arena based on the performance of different AIs in different categories. Like if you want to see overall which AI is best, it has ranked as Anthropic's Opus 4.6 as the best ranking, and second you can see Gemini, then third one is Grok, and so on. Based on occupation, it has revealed like writing and literature. Based on maths, it has ranked ChatGPT at the top. Based on creative writing, it has again kept Claude Opus at the top, and based on coding skill, it has again ranked Cloud Opus at the top, and for a hard prompt again Cloud Opus. So if you see overall, Cloud Opus 4.6 is leading the AI. So Arena is basically one of the most important website in the AI world right now. It's helping millions of people to get select to compare AI models in the real world situation instead of relying on a technical benchmark. And honestly, it's a super simple to use. That's all for today. Meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.